In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to the app you're building with AI using Lovable and ChatGPT. We'll move from an idea to a clear prompt to a working AI-powered app in just a few minutes. Start by opening ChatGPT. In one message, ask it to craft a single production-ready prompt specifically for Lovable Dev that will generate your AI-powered application. Describe the app you want as clearly as possible, who it's for, the main problem it solves, and the core user flows. List essential features, such as a text input for user questions, a results area, and any buttons you need. Explain how the AI should behave, for example, the tone of responses and limits like maximum response length. If your app needs to handle files, structured data, or categories, include that too. Ask for sensible defaults, simple error messages, and a clean, mobile-friendly layout. Include a short example input and the expected style of the response so the generator knows how to wire the flow. Request a single consolidated prompt output you can paste directly. The more precise your description, the better Lovable's generator will perform. When ChatGPT finishes, copy the full prompt it produced. Make sure you're copying only the final prompt text, not any commentary around it, and quickly adapt details like the app name or feature labels if needed. Then head over to lovable.dev in your browser. On Lovable, paste the prompt into the prompt box where new projects are created and start the generation. Lovable will analyze your instructions, scaffold the interface, and connect the AI actions behind the scenes. Give it a moment to complete. It's normal to see status messages as it builds. Just let it run until it indicates the app is ready. Once the build is done, open your newly generated application. Try a realistic end-to-end flow. Enter a typical query, submit it, and review the AI's output. Check for correctness, clarity, and speed. Test a couple of edge cases like empty inputs or overly long requests to confirm the app handles them gracefully. If the responses feel off target, fine-tune wording in your original prompt to be more explicit about the AI's role, constraints, and examples, then regenerate. Small prompted tweaks often lead to big improvements, and that's it. You used ChatGPT to write a precise lovable.dev prompt, pasted it into Lovable, let it generate, and verified the result. With this workflow, you can go from concept to an AI-powered app quickly and iterate with confidence.